Welcome to Advanced Smile Design, where your journey to a full, vibrant smile begins with world-class expertise and compassionate care. At our practice, we specialize in transformative dental procedures like the All-On-4 dental implants, designed to restore not just your smile, but your entire quality of life. Traditional dentures can mean a world of discomfort, slipping at moments you least expect. They can make it challenging to enjoy the foods you love and can even affect how you speak and interact with others. But there's a better way. The All-On-4 dental implant technique we offer is a groundbreaking advancement in dental technology. Using just 4 strategically placed implants, we can secure a full arch of beautiful, functional teeth. At Advanced Smile Design, your comfort and results are our top priorities. With decades of experience and a thorough understanding of both the art and science of cosmetic dentistry, our team is here to guide you every step of the way. We believe that everyone deserves a smile they can be proud of, one that brings out their true confidence and enhances their quality of life. Don't let another day go by without taking the first step towards a new smile. Contact us at Advanced Smile Design and let us show you how All-On-4 dental implants can change your life.